Look at all the messes that you're fooling, but they'll turn on you soon, so